Gotta keep them windows in the back. It's dangerous out there.
Update. It's
Charging.
We're at 1 day, 3 hours. That's not depressing. And it's 5:13.
And we're still in Pennsylvania.
But we're still in Pennsylvania.
But we're getting close to Ohio.
But
4 miles.
4 miles to Ohio line. So that's your little Pennsylvania update. Just about ready to say peace out.
Rock on, boys.
So
Yeah, it's morning. We're driving. Sceneries.
we got Derek behind the wheel, trucking
away here.
away.
In Minnesota still.
So it's
11 hours.
9:13, no 8:13.
8:13.
8:13.
11 hours, 54 minutes. Till we arrive.
Oh yeah, means we getting somewhere.
We're not getting around.
We're rolling. We just woke up.
Yeah.
Sleeping in the back there. Good times. Just a little cold. But
All in all.
yeah, it's pretty nice. So that's a little update at 8:15. So yeah. Peace out till next time.
So Derek, what just happened here?
We ran out of gas.
We're literally 5 minutes from the gas station. If you look at the phone there. We're 5 minutes.
Oh man.
Good news for us though.
I can pee now.
What's the good news?
We have
Oh,
gas.
Dustin can pee now.
I
In
can
the
pee
trailer.
Yep.
And Dusty can go pee.
Yes. We have gas in
Because
the
someone has
trailer.
a little bladder.
Yes.
The only problem
drinking-
is
drinking,
we have to fill it up on
Black
my
Rifle.
side, which
Got ourselves.
how unfortunate can we get?
Yeah. Nice and flat. Everything's nice and flat.
She's
It's dripping like mad.
leaking.
So let's see, what do we got here? Do we have an easy start?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Hey, quick!
fired right up.
See, because we didn't even drain the Look, we're lines. full. It was just
Oh,
sputtering.
then,
Oh, gas gauge is still on. But let's see if that gets us there. Put her in the wind, boys.
I mean, is there nobody freaking parked here? Oh, yes! We have a porta potty.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
There wasn't even a truck over at the camper. No.
Yeah. I mean, I'm in my pack now.
Yeah.
It's morning, boys. We're starting to break the packs out. And it's like cold. Oh, and Tristian's full he's full camo. This guy's ready to go. Hey Derek,
Yeah,
we're gonna do a little interview on how your food was for the first day. So tell me, how was your food so far?
Not real good.
That's it? Let me see how it looks.
I'll show you it and I'll tell you what it is.
Okay.
So it's some creamy vegetable pasta here.
Yeah.
Not a great morning food, but all my granola and oatmeal and stuff's in the bottom of the pack, so that's for the other mornings. But one note I did learn is you gotta let it sit a little longer than I did because the noodles are crunchy yet.
Ooh, that's not good.
But for our first morning, can't complain.
Can't complain. Nice.
There we go. Starting out the hike. Hitting the trail. We're in for a doozy, fellas. See how far we go. Could be 5, could be 6 miles later. How many hours? But here we go. Got the truck over there. Some nice valleys. But yeah, We're doing it. So up on top of the mountain, close to a mile in.
Almost.
Yep.
That's it, man.
Only took us 2 hours. Hour and a half? 2 hours?
I don't know. I don't know what time we started.
Well, if it was 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, that's about 2. Is that what you said, 3?
But we still like to go 5 miles that way. But hopefully most of it's downhill and a valley and flat. Right, fellas?
That's right. See if we can get down there without blowing
This
any
way.
knees out.
This way. Got a mountain up there. Look here, camp. Derek, experiences so far.
They were good, but man, my shoulders hurt.
I'd agree. I'd agree with the shoulders hurting part.
But it's a great relief to know that we are in.
Yeah, we're here.
You can let all our heavy stuff at camp now.
Yeah.
You just have to hike around.
Ditch the food, lose a good 20 pounds.
Yep.
Some of the electronics that we don't need.
So 6:30, I think 6:30, and we're gonna try and go up there somewhere and glass for elk. No. Okay. And we're gonna try and glass for elk, so we know where we're at for tomorrow morning. We're just top of the mountain. Our camp's like way down there somewhere. Not sure exactly.
Mountain House lasagna.
Dude, let me get in there. That looks kind of good. God, can't lie. That looks pretty good. Got a killer sunset. I mean, that is beautiful.
Looks pretty good.
Oh yeah, look at Derek's stuff. Man, that stuff, I gotta say.
Get in there.
Dude, I'm in there. I zoomed in. Wow. It's vegetarian.
Sadly, I looked on the back and it says 100% vegetarian.
Let me get in on that. Here, hold that.
Get it on that
Here.
right there.
Don't move. 100% vegetarian. Got it.
But
That's
yeah, it's hearty tortilla, something like that.
something like that. So,
We'll give it a go.
we'll give it a go.
The bugle, and I'm pretty sure we had an answer out there, out the ridge. So, gonna eat our supper here and blow off another couple bugles here and see if we can locate them, so we know where we're going tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Okay, boys. It's day 1 of hunting. It's 7:15. We just hiked up on top of the mountain again. Camp's way down there somewhere. And yeah, we probably shouldn't say this, but we just did see a black bear way over there going down towards camp. So that was at least we seen something. Okay, right there, boys.
Oh yeah.
I got him. It's so shaky. It's not even funny.
So here we are on the summit of the mountain. It's a really nice view. We saw some mules this morning, but other than that, they were down on the front side over yonders, to the right there. Other than that, we haven't seen anything. Walked the whole way from down at the bottom, up and around here, whole way up and around, across the top to here. And we're gonna walk over here, try to get up on the top side of those rocks over there. Up on that peak, and then work our way down around the camp maybe. Hopefully we see something and make a play on it. But until then, here we go.
I think I'm on time lapse, so I should. You'll see us walk 100 mile an hour through this stuff. Hey Derek, what's going on? Or whoever, anybody.
It's mid-afternoon here, about 3:35, 3:40, somewhere in there, and we are going. I have a little handheld.
Right down in there.
Floating one for out in the water.
This camp. It's very far away from where we are right now. Derek, what did you find?
Dude, I found my first elk shed.
Yes.
I don't know how happy. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's awesome.
Yeah, I found a shed on a rock way over there. And then Jadon found the matching pair. And then we sent Derek over here for one maybe over there. And he finds this one over here. And it's just like the joy on all our faces. It's like, yes! Like both hands in the air. Like we just shot something, but we don't care.
Let's go.
We just found something to make our day better.
We didn't hear it.
But yeah, Thursday evening, we have yet to see any wildlife. So maybe we'll see something tonight, hopefully. It cooled down a lot, so we're hoping stuff starts moving. So yeah, I think right up here is where we're gonna sit. I thought I seen feathers fly.
Over the top of his back.
Serious. Oh man. I thought I too seen feathers fly.
Your arrow stayed, didn't it?
I don't think so. I think it's gone.
You could actually.
I think so.
Oh man.
Oh, that was close.
Crap, we had the camera going. Get on this side, Jim. Oh no.
Survived.
The top of him.
Did he stop?
He went down into the creek.
Oh!
Okay, so we just had Jadon stuck in his bow somehow. I couldn't get the camera out fast enough.
His finger was wedged in his quiver. Well, the problem was I was trying to pull it out and it was just flexing it.
Okay, Jadon, show me where you were stuck at.
It was right.
Let's see if we can get it stuck
I had
again.
my finger stuck like back in there. It was
Yeah,
past the knuckle, and so when I would flex to get it out,
It wouldn't
got
come.
stuck.
Oh man.
For a split second, we thought we were gonna have a funniest home video.
But we fixed it.
But we fixed it.
I think
Oh man.
this way, fellas.
This way.
This is a loud one.
You hit the high note.
Not bad.
You did hit the high note.
Okay, Derek, now your turn. You gotta read in your mouth, you gotta go.
Really good.
Dad, dude, that was pretty good.
What it was.
Okay, day number 2 of hunt.
A good glassy spot, a good camp spot.
Try a new spot.
That's kind of what we're thinking.
We're like
I hate
3.5 miles
we
from
should at least
our
take
camp,
one bow along back. But other
and
than
we're
that,
probably gonna
everything-
end up moving
that's
up here,
assuming we're gonna
our base
check out
camp.
tonight.
So
Well,
a lot of hiking yet tonight, probably.
No.
Did a little scouting yet today. But yeah,
And just drop everything
Not
else
bad.
out your backpack here. I mean, take
Long
your backpack
hike.
with you. Take everything out and let it here. Yeah, they ran back in.
There's a deer we see, the first deer for today, first live animal. Except for cows, so there they are. Okay boys, day 3 on the hunt. We're all freezing. And it just started snowing on us. And it looks pretty dark.
So here's the deal. We were sitting here, it was nice and sunny. 20 minutes later, snow is starting to fall. About 5 minutes later, it starts coming down like this. You can see it blowing across the valley. It looks really sweet, it really does.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera can pick it up too good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah, it gets it. But my camera's getting wet. I should really put
white out. You can just see the other mountain now. The other side, fixing our flies, getting everything ready for snow. Catch a snowflake with your mouth.
Oh, I turned the video off. My fingers is cold.
Yeah, dude. Derek, would you like to show us what we found yesterday?
Yeah.
Or what did you find?
Yeah, I can do that.
What?
I found this bad guy.
That's nice.
Nice 5-point.
Yep.
It's got some pretty cool forks here. Then
Yep.
before that,
What did Jadon find?
Jadon found a nice 6-by.
Oh, very nice.
We're pretty sure it's matching pair.
Ooh, where's this matching pair at? It's over there. I found that one.
Here's his
Oh,
matching
yeah.
pair.
He would have been a decent one.
I would say he would have been
Not big,
a very nice one.
like not massive, but hey, I'd take it. I would be tickled pink.
that one probably is edible.
Dusty's looking
That
at
one's edible.
his edible meals. That's not.
This one's not?
That brand, I don't know.
Keto.
Keto.
Anything that says keto or keto
I don't
diet
like
on it, you
keto
probably
stuff.
don't want.
You can't
This
trust
one's alright.
what?
Oh. So we're gonna go try our best somewhere else.
I'm not gonna say they aren't gonna come back. Like they're probably gonna come back, or they were here and they just moved already. But like, even if we would find them, like we saw muleys the first day. Even if we find them, we wouldn't be able to get to them. It'd be a pain. It'll hurt. So might as well wait. So, and go somewhere where it's nicer to find them.
Yeah.
That's
Okay boys, we just got back to the trailer. Just changing. We're gonna go out to town and eat some food. Buy some more snacks, you know. Okay, a little update. Hey Jadon, we're missing something there, aren't we?
Yep. Tires wearing really weird.
Mhm.
They won't just put those.
The weld racing wheels.
You know what? We can't race no more because we're not gonna have a racing wheel.
That's alright. We never really wanted to race.
Yeah,
Listen to you guys sing. I don't know about.
Derek, what are you doing over here? We need a live update. So after the grouse kill,
So after the grass kill, we skinned the thing out, and
You may find it easier to just stick it on a piece of wire. Sorry, I'm interrupting you. Stick it on a piece of wire or something, and then hold it over the flame. Because this way it's going to be setting right on top of the flame.
yeah, maybe even if you straighten out that tail to the back side there, like straighten out this tail and use it as a handle.
yeah.
And then you could just hold it over it. Kind of like what Jenny was saying.
So screw my little wrap job there.
No, keep your wrap job. Just straighten this out and maybe double it up so you have a handle. And then you can just hold it over like a hot dog stick.
Okay.
We're getting closer to our finished product here.
Oh yeah.
Starting to look half decent. Like it looks like chicken. That's what we've been calling them. We've been calling them chickens.
Yeah.
I think they're more like a grouse, but
Mountain chicken.
mountain chicken. We've hit the trail and narrow stage. It's time to give her a shot. Oh, he smells it.
Gives us a sniff.
Doesn't smell bad.
Every good cook knows. Make sure you give it to someone else to taste test first.
You try it first. You killed it. Dusty's gonna eat.
It smells really wild.
Oh, it feels wild. That's pretty good.
Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad, not bad. All right.
More of
I
those?
taste the Carolina seasoning on
I
there,
don't
which
want
really
the whole
helps it.
piece.
I don't want, yeah. I'm happy with that. Thank you.
Yeah, that's definitely.
It does smell wild. It smells like fish.
That's
That's
definitely.
what I thought. A little like fish.
Oh, that inside there is not done. We won't eat that inside there. Do you want more?
I'm good.
Tastes like fish.
I was gonna say it kind of reminds me of fish.
Yeah,
It does.
Well, I think that's kind of the Carolina seasoning.
I think it is.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, Derek. So what are we doing today?
Today is Sunday. We're out here hunting nothing. Yeah. So far, we've eaten Pop-Tarts, trail mix, crappy granola bars that me and Dusty should not have bought on today.
Oh, they're interesting. Okay, you're on video, Derek. So what are we doing?
I'm trying to get in this lock.
We're struggling. Derek's struggling right now.
We still have 4 more days of hunting.
4 more days of hunting, and everything smells like gas.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Way down there's the truck.
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, we are live.
Yeah. Morning, boys.
Alrighty, morning. So we are cruising through different unit. Trying a different tactic here. We are saying, you know what? We don't want to try to kill them in the mountains because that would stink. We're gonna try to kill them in the flat. Well, mule deer is kind of what we're going for now. The elks weren't really talking. Talking to some guys that said, you know what, the elks, they aren't really talking. So like, you know what, we're just gonna go mule deer hunting. So we came out to the plains here.
Spotted a couple doe this morning.
Yeah, a total of what, 4 or 5 doe, something like that.
Yeah, but it's a buck only unit for mule deer.
Yeah.
So it's gotta have horns. But if it's a whitetail, we can shoot either or.
No way. He just flew off your arrow with him. What? I guess we're going that way.
Let.
Oh yeah, he is a nice one. Turn the radio off, we might hear him.
Can we get permission from that person?
No. I bet you
All the cows are like,
Five.
no.
$1,000 you would not get. Actually, I'd probably bet my whole life savings on it.
That is a big boy.
You would not get permission on that. Man.
It's a good quality fight. We have a third one that wants in. A trifecta. So that bullet took him right at us right now. Look to the left. There's 2 other bulls locked up.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Right there. Oh, they're tussling. Oh, get him. Oh, pinning them down.
I don't see this for squat.
Dude, look at my video camera. I got him.
Oh wow.
Oh, let's go. Go, boys. That third one wants in.
Yeah, I see that. Where are you at?
It's update time. What is our update?
Dusty hit him with the news.
Dusty, our
So-
news reporter.
So the update So the update is we were just leaving camp. Oh, there we go. Just leaving camp, and we decided we're gonna go out to town to get some water and just kind of restock our
Inventories?
Yeah, inventories.
Yep.
So we're driving out. We're we found some mule deer. We almost thought about shooting, and then they were on private land, so we kept driving. And all of a sudden, Derek's like, "Dude, what's out in the field?" I'm like, I think it's just pronghorn. And I'm like, "Wait a minute, Jadon, please stop the truck. Take a little look.
Yep.
Get the binoculars out there."
Yep.
So we got the binoculars out, and ooh, baby, we seen some elk.
Yeah, we actually saw
that.
elk.
There's
That's
like
a plus.
300 plus out there.
Oh, dude, there's like 300
8 to,
some
what, 6 to 10 bulls at least?
at least.
And they were
300
fighting.
inches for sure.
Oh,
Dude,
We
they
saw
were
some footage of
fighting,
the fight.
rotten.
The positive part is they're only a couple
They're-
hundred yards
Yeah.
from public.
They're probably more than
They
a couple
came-
hundred, but
Yeah, they came out of the public.
they came out
as
of the
we were
public.
getting there.
Yeah.
Some of them were going down.
So we have high hopes we can pull them in tomorrow. We've
Even
had a lot of high hopes so far this week, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
I personally, for myself, am not getting ambitious here, but we will see what happens.
Let's go, boys.
Yes, let's go. Decided we'll take one more video tonight. Show you the ins and outs of the nighttime. We got the good sleep for tonight, which is nice little mattresses with a sleeping bag and another sleeping bag. So we're double sleeping bagged up. We have our hopes up. Have charger over there, phone, Netflix phone, earbuds, chapstick, knife, call, USB, all my electronic essentials in here. Got my coats back there. Jadon has his well-protected snacks over there,
Yes.
so that Derek and Dustin can't eat them. And about to download the footage for the day onto the computer. Absolute smoke.
Oh, baby.
Smoked them. Got a boy.
Yeah, buddy, I know, man.
You remember I saw it? Oh, it's laying right
It's
up
like
there.
spark.
Yeah, I seen it hit some rocks or something.
Oh, dude, you got a picture with a spanner.
Spread his tail fan like you. Look at
He's still breathing.
Dude, quick get a picture. Dude, I don't know.
Do you want to spread his tail fan?
What do you want me to do? Hold it
right
up?
like that. get up on top of them, bro.
Yeah, pretty much. Just get up on top of them. Kind of gonna do it. You just gotta find the top one and kind of walk it.
What are we doing here, Dustin?
Well, you see, I found the best bar. Get in on that thing. Get in on it.
I did.
Okay. You see that thing? It's so good. That's the worst bar ever.
I had too much arc. I hit a branch.
Oh man, are you kidding me?
No.
Where was it standing?
It was. How was that now?
Pretty much right up in that little opening there.
Yeah, like I hit that pine tree branch hanging down there.
Ah.
55 yards. I should have flung a 70 yarder when I had it open here. I didn't. It was a 77 yarder. I'm like, nah, I'm not going to throw it.
I think it was either you hit him or you went a little high. Man. Well, if you look here, folks, we made it back.
It's a cigar.
Hey, don't easy on my camera. The one that's broken. Partially broken.
Just the lens flaps.
Just a little bit.